Hello guys! Ganda ng car namin today. Fit na fit kami. Hello Mara!
Oh my God!
Welcome back to our channel, Team Nayad. Again, Casey's birthday, part 2.
Wala na si Mama.
Si Mama, hindi kami kompleto today. Happy birthday, Casey! Mara!
Hi, Mara.
Oh,
Show them your hair. Show them. Mara, show them your hair.
sing now for Ate Casey.
This one. I gave her this one because she's always Part 2.
Birthday.
Part 2.
Birthday.
I miss you, Ma. Oh, you can buy siya natanggal.
Marigold. Oh, vlogger. Kain kami. Really nice. Yes, yes, yes. Hello guys. Italiano tayo ngayon, guys. Italiano. Ito sa Aldara. Pizza.
Waiting for the fries.
Hello guys. Mama Pas ka na namin.
Ito kami.
Kain na naman kami. Happy birthday, Casey.
Dapat yung ano yun eh. Ano na yung ulit yun? Yung video. yung voice.
Hello guys. Ito ang pagkain natin, si Kuya Cesar. Cesar salad. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ulit na, wala na. Nahiya. Oh, knock. Dalan. Happy birthday to you. 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 Yes, salamat.
How old are you? Ayun na. Reveal.
Hawakan mo Case, hawakan mo ito. Sure.
Ito asawa ko.
Alam.
Pag birthday ni Pao, sa dampa. Kasi,
Hello guys, busog na sila guys. Antok na sila guys.
Wala na eh.
Wala na guys, antok na. Nabusog. Happy birthday! Surprise!
ano kumanta?
Kanta tayo ulit. Hello guys, tapos na kami kumain. Malamig pa kayo. Hello guys, tapos na kami kumain.
Mapis best dito.
Now, very full. Now, the curry's flat. Tapos ng birthday ni Casey. Bye-bye na tayo.
Bye-bye, guys!
See you on the next birthday.
Thank you kay ate!
Shout out sa kwan pala. Sa Marigold Restaurant. Sarap ng pizza niya. At saka kay Auntie. Ano pangalan niya? Mary Ann. Bedeng. Shout out. Sana mapanood mo yung video ko. Shout out. Yalla, see you guys. See you on the next vlog. Bye.